What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a full face using my mom's makeup. So today I thought it would be fun, since I'm back home visiting family, to go through my mom's makeup bin and see what I can come up with, because I saw this video going around. I thought it would be really fun to do and to have my mom in here with me. So she is not much of a makeup person, but we'll see what we have in here. So would you describe yourself as more of like a tomboy?
Yes.
So we have very different tastes in makeup. She doesn't really wear makeup at all anymore, and I like to do a full beat on my face. So this should be interesting because I'm also super fair and she's tan, so this foundation color is gonna look real great on me. So we have the CoverGirl Clean Sensitive Foundation, which is great because when my mom does wear makeup, she says that she has a lot of sensitivity. And do you want to talk about that? Like your eyes water and...
Eye makeup tends to make my eyes water now.
And then she has this CoverGirl powder, which I used to use all the time back in the day. So this is the professional loose powder. I used to love this stuff. What else do we have in here? We have a couple of different lipsticks to choose from. My mom is definitely more of like really dark tone lipsticks and a lot of berries and reds, and I like to stick to more of like a nude lip. So for blush, we have this CoverGirl Continuous Color. I don't even want to know how old this is. It might be as old as me, but we have that. What is in here? This looks like, what is this?
Avon, I think.
This is an Avon. This is another blush color from 2004.
How do you know? Oh.
Another blush. She also wears like more deeper blushes than I do. I like to wear more of like bronzy blushes or more of like a light peach blush. What is this? She also has a lot of cream blushes as well. And it looks like we have an eyebrow pencil. So this is a NYX eyebrow pencil. And then we have a couple of Avon eyeliners. I used to wear these all the time because my mom would buy me Avon makeup. And that's a brush. The classic Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. And then we have a couple of eyeshadow quads. So this is from Olay. Super old. The colors that are in here are super pretty. Those are pretty colors. And then we have a blue eyeshadow palette. Why do you have blue eyeshadow?
I read someplace blue is good for like brownish, greenish eyes.
Yeah, it would make the colors pop. And then here we have another blush that looks as old as time. This is from Avon. From 1996.
Oh my God.
Mom, you gotta throw this stuff away. And then this is a classic Maybelline quad. Back in the day in high school when I would get ready for dances and stuff, I would take this eyeshadow palette. I remember using this all the time for my mom's makeup, and I would sort of like sneak that. So let's see if we can come up with a look. And I'm gonna get started applying foundation, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so obviously this is not my foundation shade. My mom says that she doesn't use concealer because it doesn't work well for her, so I'm not going to be using concealer today. We're also going out to dinner later, so I'm not blending this like into my hairline because I'm not going to leave the house like this. But the foundation looks really nice. It provided a decent coverage. I would say that this is definitely more of like a medium coverage, but it has a really nice dewy finish to it. She also doesn't have bronzer or anything, so I'm just going to go in with a blush. I'm going to take this one from CoverGirl in the shade Pretty Peach, because this is a tone that I would normally wear. No highlighter or anything, so we're going to skip that. I'm going to fill my brows in with her brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, which may work for me now that my hair is a little bit darker, so we'll see. I mean, this is a dark brown, but it's still a pretty red tone dark brown. So I think luckily nowadays a lot of companies are doing more cooler tone brown shadows or shades for eyebrows, which is great. So obviously a lot of this makeup is really old, but my mom literally never wears makeup anymore. Like the last time she wore makeup was at my wedding. And then before my wedding, like when was the last time before that you wore makeup, Mom?
I have no idea.
Yeah, she literally just...
I just do mascara and blush.
Alright, so for eyes, I really like this rosy palette, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with that. So, but before, I'm going to set my base with the powder. And this is also looking quite orange on me, but that is okay. So I really didn't start getting into makeup until I was already out of high school because my mom didn't really wear makeup or anything like that, so she prefers me with a natural face, and she still does. So I remember I got in trouble in middle school once because I think I snuck mascara, and I got like brown mascara because I thought she wouldn't notice or something, and she totally did. And I believe I got grounded. I would also sneak, when we would go grocery shopping, I would take like $1 with me and I would sneak buying like white eyeliner, like the dollar liner from Wet n Wild, because like it was just some kind of makeup that I could have without her noticing. So I would go do that while she was buying other stuff and then pay for it at the register and then like sneak it back home in my pocket or something and then wear it every day. And like for me, like I thought I was really getting away with something. So the pigment on these shadows aren't the best or the most even, but I'm trying to make it work. So, Mom, you can be back in the video if you want to be instead of off to the side. Or if you wanted to stay off to the side, you could.
I'll stay off to the side.
Alright, so my mom's gonna stay off to the side, but did you ever, like what would be, like, the extent of your makeup when you were younger? Like, when was the time in your life when you wore the most makeup, and, like, what would you wear?
Eye makeup mainly different. I like to play around with the shadows and the mascara after, like, college and after. When I was younger.
When you were younger. So, in the 80s, did you wear any crazy eyeshadow colors?
No. Just basically browns and the pinks, plums.
So did you like doing like smoky eyes, or like what was like your go-to look?
I guess smokier eyes.
And then it's just crazy, like what do you think about makeup now? Because makeup's changed so much even in like the last 10 years, like from when I first started getting into makeup, it's like so different now with all the different stuff that's out there.
It's too much sometimes.
Too much?
Mm-hmm. Looks too artificial.
So you definitely, she's more of a natural gal, which there is nothing wrong with that. Makeup is just mainly to help enhance whatever we want, or you can use it as an art form. It's a great way to express yourself. That's why I like it so much. I see my face as a canvas, and I like just creating different looks, and it's an outlet for me to be creative on a daily basis if I want. So now I think I'm gonna go back into this quad, and I'm gonna try to pull the gold sparkly shade. I'll use a little sponge that comes with it. I used to do my makeup with these because back in the day, like, makeup brushes weren't as popular as they are now. So I remember when I first used makeup back in high school for like the dances and stuff, I would use these little sponge applicators. And I'm going to take a little bit of the deepest brown from this to deepen up my crease a little. So I'm not seeing a huge difference with the pigment with this, but drugstore eyeshadows have gotten a lot better over the years. So now I'm just taking that same dark brown and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. So this is one lipstick color. This is more of like a orangey, like clay kind of colored red, which I'm not going to go for. This is a blush. So the other lipstick that my mom has, this is from Almay. It is the Smart Shade Butter Kiss in 120 Red Medium. So I'm guessing this is one of those tinted lip balms. Alright, so I would put mascara on, but I don't want to use my mom's, and I'm going to wash my face right away, so I'm going to skip that. So what do you think?
Looks okay.
Looks
Except
okay.
The skin's too dark.
Yeah. So this was fun. It was fun going through my mom's makeup because I think it's interesting just to see what different products that she likes to use and like what she was into, and it was cool getting to know a little bit about her makeup style from when she was younger. So, alright, so that is going to wrap it up for today's video. My mom and dad are both going to be visiting me soon, so I might try to get her to film with me again while they're visiting, so maybe we could do a video where you do my makeup. And I think that might be fun. So that might be coming soon. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Leave me a comment down below with what makeup, ask your mom what makeup she used to like to wear and what her style was, because I think it's cool, the evolution of makeup throughout time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!